presidency election this time when this kind of opposition on our two major political parties, and it's either APC or PDP. The other people have just therefore, we must approach that with a very serious. There's no doubt now you get Madam from Philip said that unfortunately moon I feel not wrong in that I cannot deny that today. Father says that they are go. My Lord that they are not ready that I will come on and my Lord God and all person and the God of the we will go for this election. We will campaign for PDP from every voter to every political group to every ward, local government, and anybody in this. We will enter every institution. We will enter every group.